Japan Prime Minister announced Friday that he will resign over health issues. President Dr. Arif Alvi has directed Pakistan Post to recruit the son of a disabled retired employee within 45 days. Christchurch massacre shooters gets life imprisonment without parole. Russia has accused the United States of trying to hinder its patrol in Syria. National Disaster Management Authority is continuing its rescue and relief operation in rain-affected areas of Karachi, Pakistan. Bahrain rejects US pressure to normalize ties with Israel. Turkish President Erdogan has said, "It is not Turkey that has created instability in the Eastern Mediterranean." 58 projects of road infrastructures are in progress in tribal districts costing 15 billion rupees in KPK Pakistan. Palestine has accused the United States and Israel of waging war on the Palestinian causes in order to liquidate it. Trump Republicans attack Biden's aimed coronavirus crisis street protests. Landmine killed 13 in southern Afghanistan. Bollywood superstar Amir Khan under fire over Turkey visit.